What's up, guys? Reacting to a new MrBeast video today. This one is I bought the world's largest fireworks, so let's get into that. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go.
This is the most expensive
firework
in the entire world, and it cost me over $160,000.
$160,000? Oh my god, bro! I don't even have that much, bro. Give me that. Why you spend that on fireworks? Give it to me.
Firework. And everything here we spent
40,000. Oh my god, bro! That's a whole lot of money on fireworks.
This one, it costs $1. Chandler,
$500,000 on fireworks. That's money well spent right there.
That was kind of lame.
Money well spent.
$10 firework. Let's see if it's better.
I would spend that much on fireworks if I had that. I would spend $1 million on fireworks.
Here's a $50
Chandler, you can't get scared, bro. It's not gonna kill you. Well, it might, so, you know. Chandler, don't die, bro. I don't want you to die. I don't want Chandler to die.
See the $200,000 firework. I don't know why I'm holding up a.
Bro, I want to see that too. Put it on. Let's go right now.
Last time. I like it.
Come on, let's
Chris
go.
just had a baby, as you see here. It's really adorable. Good for him.
Oh, Chris, congratulations, bro. Congrats.
You're Chris for the day. Go live.
$375. Damn. All right, let's go.
I'm so afraid. Oh, so much.
Wow, that's a lot of fireworks.
Wow.
This is spectacular. How is it going to get better than that?
I got a $1,000 firework with your name on it.
My name?
Let's go get it. $1,000.
Where's my name?
Let's go. 1,000, Chandler. Come on.
Boxes combined equal
go, Chandler.
$1,000.
Go!
Oh shoot, we're gonna die.
Run away, Chandler. Run faster. Wow, bro. You had a drone in there? I'm surprised it didn't fucking get hit by a firework.
The drone survived. This next firework
the
is
drone
the most epic
survived.
thing you have
wow.
ever seen. This mortar
could have lost
this tube at 500 feet per second. Speed, baby.
Oh
it weighs 160 pounds, which is more than Carl.
160
we even had
pounds?
to get FAA clearance to light this. There can't be planes in the sky.
All right, buddy.
Oh my god.
We're gonna light it, but you guys have to go 500 feet away. So step one is you hit the power on, and then
they have a whole ass thing to light it.
Okay, now it's beeping. There's a lot of
oh
buttons,
my
but
god.
they told me this is the one that matters. Chandler, give
you
me
need a control panel. It's like having a bomb. Oh my god. Oh my, that's a nice firework.
That looks like a nuke.
Yo, that was insane.
It looks like a nuke. It does.
And Manny wants to fly. So we strap 100
Manny wants to fly?
to him.
We needed
Yo,
to
should we get Greg to fly? I think we need Greg to fly.
We had to get it up there.
We'll put fireworks on him.
Fine! I got the Cobra, boys. Chandler, I'm gonna let you do it.
3, 2,
1.
Let's go, Chandler. Oh, yo, that's crazy.
Oh my god,
Bro, they would have got
Why did the fireworks
hit
blow
by
up?
that.
Why did
They
the
weren't behind the
fireworks,
glass.
It just went up.
bro, they like went over.
It didn't go up. It just went
Dude, it looked
all
like
over the
aliens
place.
were attacking.
Wait a second.
Yo, it looked like an action movie. You know, an action movie, you have like explosions everywhere on the floor. That's what it looked like.
Where's his
Like
head?
an action movie out here. He
I
died.
always wanted to launch a bunch of fireworks in a car. What does it
Rest
do?
in
Does
peace.
it ricochet? Does the car blow up? Who knows?
They're gonna blow up a car again.
1, 3.
Fireworks in a car. Damn. That car's done.
It is.
That's terrifying.
Wait, the roof blew.
The roof blew open. Oh my god.
Oh, shoot. It's on fire.
Oh, it
I
is?
really want to see it
There's a
explode
fire straight
like
up.
they
Yeah,
do in
it's
the
on fire.
movies.
We want to blow stuff up, so that's what we're gonna do.
The whole trunk is full of fireworks.
You have
We're
to.
gonna add these. We're gonna light this one.
They're gonna have more?
Light me.
We're lit.
Go.
Run away, run away.
Look at the
Oh my
fire.
god.
That's ferocious as it's
Destroying a car.
Bro, it just did go. Yo, the fire is engulfing it.
No, they just lit a car on fire. Oh my god, it's out the roof. Damn.
Now that.
Oh my god, that car's done.
Yeah. In the past, I
right.
microwaved a microwave. And after that, I microwaved a microwave, microwaving a
He made-
microwave.
Oh
Then
my
I grilled
god.
a microwave, microwaving a microwave, microwaving a toaster, toasting an iPhone, watching microwave.
Toasting in the oven in a
I have a
microwave.
lot of
Alright.
experience with microwaves. And tonight,
Yes, he does. He has a
microwaving
lot of
fireworks.
experience. He's an expert.
Alright, let's see what happens.
Oh what do you think? Oh my god.
I was told.
Bro, that thing's about to blow up.
So loud. But this is supposed to explode like 1,000 feet in the air.
Is it?
Yeah.
That thing is definitely gonna.
4 seconds left.
I thought it was gonna.
Oh, what the fuck? That thing exploded. That was worse than the car.
Hundreds of drones here, and we're gonna do something very cool. Just watch. Hundreds of drones are currently flying.
Show us what you're gonna do, bro.
They're about to disappear. Just you guys wait. I have something really cool.
That looks
Here's
nice,
how it works.
though,
Whatever
bro.
you say in this walkie-talkie, the drones will spell burger.
No way.
The drones would spell it?
What does that say?
Oh my god.
What?
What does that say?
Oh my god.
What?
Those
When did...
hundreds of drones currently
Bro.
spell burger in the sky. You could see that a mile
Bro,
away.
wait,
What do you
wait,
want the
wait.
drone to
I didn't even know the
Cheese
shit
balls.
drones could do that.
Cheese balls.
Okay?
Cheese...
Here.
Whoa,
This
what
next
the...
one, I like crisp pre-taken.
Bro, no.
I don't even know what it is.
Dude.
Oh, of course he did the gotcha symbol.
It can do that?
Okay, I'm gonna override it. Carl.
No way.
He's gonna get so mad.
Carl's dumb.
Bro!
Carl's dumb.
Whoops! I guess the drones.
I didn't even know drones could do that.
Hey, stop doing this!
You thought in this video we
Carl's
just have
dumb.
epic fireworks? No, we have tons of
Bro.
cool stuff. We're just getting started. What's a 4th of July show without sparklers?
It's a bad 4th of July without...
Yeah, with sparklers.
I agree. These are normal sparklers that you could buy, but they're lame. So activate the project. Bazinga!
Bazinga! Oh my gosh!
Bazinga!
We bought 520 sparklers and drew our logo.
Woo!
Carl.
Oh,
Is this fake, man?
There's nothing fake about it. I'm an expert.
that
They
was
don't
an
make
awesome. That
t-shirts
was awesome.
lie.
For the
Let me show
logo
you
with
around.
the
I'm expert,
fireworks.
alright? So what's gonna happen is it's gonna explode.
Bang!
Why did that again?
You're gonna get. People are gonna die.
It all.
Now we're gonna launch 150 fireworks at the same time. We had a lot sitting on the
150 at the same time. Oh my god.
150 explosions.
Let's do it
Let's
all
watch it.
right now.
We're back in command center.
I'm pumped, dude. This is about to be sick.
3, 3, 3.
2, 3, 3, 3. Oh my, bro. Damn, I wish I was there to see all this stuff, bro. Why don't you tell us what's going on? I want to see
It's gonna be
it.
that, but 40 times better.
That's just math.
It's officially time for the big boy fireworks to come out. A $10,000
The big boy?
show. Give me a countdown.
10,000?
Now launching.
Let's go.
I'm launching. Fire!
Oh my.
This isn't just one firework.
Look at the
This
park,
isn't
like the
an
Disney
entire
World
spell.
fireworks that they have in fucking Disney
A little
World
bit bigger than
or
popcorn.
Universal, whatever. Oh my, bro, that's crazy. That's crazy. Bro, dude, yo, those are, oh my god.
Did you guys enjoy
That
that
was
show?
huge.
It was loud. It was good.
I enjoyed it.
My voice cracked.
It was good.
I think we could all agree the 10K show was cool. But it was a little long. That entire 5-minute show that
a little
you just
bit,
watched,
a little
they're
bit,
all
but it's
gonna
alright.
launch at the same time now. Tyler, when you press fire, you're gonna launch 4,000 shells at the exact same time.
This is too much power.
I am terrified.
3, 2, 1, fire!
Let's go. Ooh, look at that, bro. That's crazy. Bro,
That was
Bro,
the coolest
what?
thing I've ever seen
I'd
in my
never
life.
seen it like
Dude,
that.
That was dope. That
you
was
normally
dope.
see like the ones in the sky, not like
That was
that.
I mean,
Things are about to get crazy.
Bro.
This is a $40,000 firework.
Oh
I
my
could've bought a
god,
car.
40,000,
I could've put a
bro.
down payment on
The
a house.
other
I
one, the
could've
last
given
one's gonna
Chandler
be
40 grand.
insane. I don't even know.
Or I could have bought
Chandler, 40
10,000
grand.
copies of Shrek, but I did none of that, and I bought a $40,000.
10,000 copies of
This
Shrek, bro. I would have got
$40,000
10,000
firework
copies
is
of
literally gonna
Shrek. Who
blow
wouldn't
your
want
socks
Shrek?
off.
No pun intended.
It is over 9,000 shells. That $10,000
9,000.
firework is 4,000
Oh
shells.
my
This
god,
is going to be
bro.
4
That's
times
crazy.
$40,000 is a
4
lot.
times. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I want to see this.
1, fire!
Oh my. Bro, what the? Oh shit. Bro.
I thought I was going to die.
that was crazy.
Yo, what?
I can't hear.
How are you not arrested? I literally had to back up. It was so bright.
Yeah, how are you
Now
not
you did that.
arrested,
Was
bro?
that worth a Tesla
If you did it.
Yes.
And, oh my god. Bro, imagine you did it in some place with the fucking trees, bro. Or fucking cars fire like 2 seconds.
Imagine 160.
Good thing they're in the where I think they're in a
It doesn't
desert
get better
or
than
something.
that. We
I
just
don't know.
peaked.
We'll see.
Bro, are you kidding me? Look at this one. I can fit inside that.
Do you think I can fit my head in this one?
I wouldn't tell you.
Can we put Carl in the firework?
It's not even on.
Ready to see the world's largest.
I'll put him in there.
Light up the sky! It's about to be freaking nuts.
We are about to launch the
my
largest
God.
firework anyone in man's
largest?
history has ever seen. Literally a
Oh
world
my
record.
God.
$160,000.
Dude, this can be
4,000
fucking
pounds,
crazy.
15 feet
This
deep
can be
holes.
crazy.
We literally needed a
It's gonna be so
forklift.
crazy
First
right now.
things
I
first.
don't even know.
You have to turn control panel on.
Oof.
You then turn the key.
Oh my god.
Let's all press it together. Give it a countdown. 5, 4.
Let's go. Come on. Come on.
Skip over 1.
Yo, you can hear
Goodness.
that?
I felt it in my chest. Oh, they're up there.
Bro, oh my. It went higher.
That is
There was 2 sets. There were like one in the middle and then one higher.
For like a mile.
A mile away. Oh
It may
my.
not look like that, but that's literally like a mile.
Bro, I've never seen
I
it.
heard like this whoosh.
All around us.
Literally.
I felt it in my chest,
yeah,
and we're
like-
2,000
Oh
feet
my-
away.
Feel it.
Anyone else still just shaking a little bit from that
I
shockwave?
like realigned my heart.
I know. I still feel it in
Dude,
my chest.
I've never
Was
seen
that.
that.
Better or worse than you thought it would be?
That thing was like
spectacular.
higher than any firework I've ever
And
seen in my
that, boys,
life.
was the biggest firework in the history of mankind. Hit the
Oh
subscribe
my
button.
God.
Bye.
Hit it now!
Subscribe to them, subscribe to us. That's how this works. Subscribe to everybody. Subscribe to people you don't know. Subscribe. Giving out subscribes. Alright guys, that was the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.